Does organizing your craft supplies sound like a huge chore? I know that when we go shopping for craft supplies, it's all fun and games until we get home with all the things. So I am going to do a video today to share with you my favorite ways to organize your craft. First up is this thrifted turntable and basket. I keep all of my vinyl, wrapping paper, and pool noodles conveniently in this. I love it. Next is this Dollar Tree dish rack. I use it for plates and silver platters, all sorts of things that can fit right into it. It's super convenient. I can see every single thing at a glance, and I think that these are super handy for even all of the surfaces that the Dollar Tree offers. Another fun supply holder is these mason jars. I keep all sorts of assorted buttons and wooden beads in these mason ball jars. And I love how you can see all the colors at a glance, and it kind of makes it decor at the same time as organized. I also put wooden spools in these clear mason jars. I think that, again, it displays them really pretty, and I love the seashells in the glass too. So I grabbed all of these drawers. I will link them below, and I labeled them with all of the items that were in each of the drawers. That one was the wood drawer, and this one is the metal. I just keep all sorts of assorted metal craft supplies in this, or anything that I would consider it to be metal goes in here. And then the next drawer, I just labeled pom-poms and stickers, and so I just keep everything that resembles a pom-pom and pipe cleaners in this drawer. Then I've got Velcro and cardboard in a drawer, and of course I just added the stitch witchery, anything that I thought was, Velcro-ish. And then banners got their own drawer. I don't know how I ended up with this many banners, but I have banners all from all sorts of places. I love this buffalo check one, and this Halloween one too. So you can just decide what you want your drawers to hold, but this one is miscellaneous. It's every single thing that I couldn't think of fitting into a category, like the little fairy lights and the sea glass. This is my tags and stamps drawer. I keep all sorts of Dollar Tree tags and fun stamps to use in that drawer. And then we've got straws and glitter and foil. All of my foil is in this drawer, and I just love how it keeps it all neat and tucked away. And then this plastic drawer, I keep all of my plastic, smaller decor pieces in this drawer. You just need drawers for just to be able to throw things in that fit in a category, and I just found that these categories worked the very best for me. Now, this is a wooden coat hanger. As you can see, it's one of those accordion style ones, and I put all of my wire wreath forms from the Dollar Tree on it and embroidery hoops. This is my prized possession. It is my floral Christmas tree. I literally stuffed a bunch of florals, all of them, into the Christmas tree. It holds it perfectly. I can see everything I have at a glance. I absolutely love this idea. I know you won't be disappointed if you just grab an old Christmas tree and do this for yourself. Then I have big plastic bins. I will link those below that I throw baskets in and things of that nature. These little plastic containers came from the Dollar Tree to hold my yarn. Now this is a Dollar Tree plastic hook. I have all of my banners and wooden bead garlands hanging from it. It's super convenient, and I can see, again, every single thing at a glance. I love these. Again, $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and you can hold all of your banners and garlands on it. Then I wanted something to hold my vinyl cutting paper, and I saw these buffalo check file holders at the Dollar Tree, and I grabbed 2 of them. I need to get more because I was using this box here, which you can totally do, that has the corrugated separate sections in it. Either way, it's a really great way to store your vinyl. Now, this is what I keep my washi tape in. All the washi tape has its own little drawer with its themed washi tape in it. And this is something really easy to grab as well for small things. And I'll link it below as well. I'll link everything. Now this storage tote has all of my decoupage napkins in it. They are all separated into baggies, and I love this idea for storing them. Now this wheeled cart is super convenient. It holds all of my paint supplies. Each of the little compartments are plastic. I'm going to show you real quick how it stores all of my acrylic paints in there and my ceramic paints, and it slides right back into the tower. Super easy. All of the different drawers have different supplies in them, and it really keeps them handy and clear so that I can see what I have. It's super important to be able to see what it is that you have. I actually have a rack. It's a shoe rack for all of my ribbons. I will link that below and show you. There's a blog post that shows you exactly how I put this together, and it holds them beautifully. This is the other tower. These are my fabric towers. I have two of them. They are drawers. There's bigger drawers towards the bottom. They are bulging full of fabric. I think I have a problem. I think I have an issue with fabric. But then the other drawers are skinnier, and I'm trying to keep them kind of organized by color and pattern, and that's my bandana drawers. This is the second fabric tower, and it's kind of, again, coordinated by colors, kind of general colors. This drawer is all doilies. And then you go up to tans and golds and then blues and so on and so forth. You pretty much get the drift. But I love these fabric towers because I can just shove all of my scraps in there by color. Again, it's clear. I can see what I have. I don't have to wonder what is stuffed in a big box or some other holder. So this is one of my favorite organization ideas. But yeah, I call it my fabric towers, and I will link them below. They are wheeled for convenience. You can move them around. These are little pockets, wall pockets, and I just labeled them to hold my rotary cutter and my wire cutters and my stapler, as well as the hole punch and snippers. It's super convenient, and again, it's all about seeing it at a glance. This is my twine holder. It is super convenient. It is, you can use it for ribbons or mesh. I use it for my twines because I don't know why. I have so many different sizes of twine, and I just like to keep them organized, again, at a glance, and this holder makes it super duper easy. These are just wood sticks, and I was just kind of showing you how you can put them in a glass jar, and there's the lid. And this is, again, the Dollar Tree dish rack. I'm showing you how you can put your canvases in it. It's super perfect for this kind of thing. This clear turntable organizer holds my glue sticks, my markers, my zip ties for all of my messy bows, including my bling and scissors. I absolutely adore these. I've got two of them side by side. This one has wooden beads, finger protectors, and again, I love these. Well, what do you think of those ideas? Are you inspired to get in that craft room and get a little bit more organized? I hope that you found some of these ideas super helpful, and maybe you could run to the Dollar Tree today and grab a couple of these affordable supplies to get yourself organized. I promise you will feel better. Start with one at a time. So I would recommend either starting with your ribbons or your fabrics or the one that you have the most of, and that way you don't get overwhelmed. Anyway, I hope you have an amazing day. Consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell, and until next time, mwah, stay inspired.